everyone. Let us now discuss this problem: minimum number of increments on subarrays to form a target array. So let us read the description first. You are given an integer array target. You have an integer array initial of the same size as target with all elements initially zeros. So we are given with only target array with some numbers, right? And we have the initial array which is all are zeros there. Now we need to do one operation. What is that operation? So we need to choose any subarray from initial and increment each value by 1. So we need to increment every value of that subarray by 1. Okay. Return the minimum number of operations to form a target array from initially. Okay, so we need to return the minimum number of operations that we need to take. The test cases are generated so that the answer fits in a 32-bit integer, but let us look at the constants. So 10 power 5, the length of the target array will be 10 power 5. Now target of I can be till 10 power 5. Now let's look at the first example. We are given with the initial array 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I am taking the whole sub array. I'll get 1, 1, 1, 1 whole array as a sub array, and I got this. Now this one and this one I have got it. Now I need to get this. So let me take this sub array 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Now let me take this subarray 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. How many operations did I got? This is the first, second, right? Wait a second. So from this to this, first operation, second operation, third operation. So totally we got 3 operations for this. I'll tell you the intuition later on, but let us go with the examples. Right, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I need to get this, right? But I need to get it like all the subarray. If I take all the subarray, then I can get it easily. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now if you see here, this 3 need to be, we need to get it, but taking subarray after that index will not help me. So 2, 1, 1, 1. Now 3, 1, 1, 1. Now I need to get this 2. So what I'll do, 3, 1, 1, 2. I just got this one, selected that, right? So how many operations did I got? First, second, third, and fourth. So totally I have gone 4 operations, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. Start with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and I am selecting the whole subarray, right? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now this one is, I got it. Now I need to get this 3. I am going from the starting. So 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now I need to get 3. So 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now this 3 I also got it. 5, 4, 2. I need to get it. 3, 1. I'll take this. 2, 2, 2. I also got this, right? So what I'll do, I'll just select this. 3, 1, 3, 3, and then 2. Now take that again. 3, 1, 4, 4, 2. I got it, right? So I got the 4. Now I need to get 5. So 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. I got the array, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 operations. But if you see here, let me tell you one intuition from this example so that you can easily get the intuition, right? So the intuition is, if you see, when I got this 3, till here, I went through 3 operations. Now, for this 5, after 5, every element is lesser than 5, right? So, to get this 5, 5 minus 1 is just 4. 3 minus nothing. Nothing is there in the previously. So, 3. So, 3 plus 4 has given me 7. That's what the answer is. But how can I say it? Why? Because in this range, after 3, I am having only 5 as the number which is greater than 3, right? And also greater than 1, right? But if you see, my answer will start from 3. Now, 1 is lesser than 3. Why I am not adding 1 or something like, why I am not taking this? Because if I can get 3 operations then I can get all the numbers lesser than 3 or equal to 3. Right? Am I right? Let me tell you, if I got 3, then I can get this 1. However, in those 3 operations itself, I will get that 1. So why need to consider it even? So if I am having 5 here, 5 minus 1 is 4. So by doing 4 operations, you might ask me that why we are taking 5 minus 1, why not taking 5 itself? Why? Because let me tell you, 5 minus 1 is 4. Why? Because here we will be having 1 here. That's why 5 minus 1, we are taking it as 4. It will not increment greater than 1. So at this point, we will not increment that element greater than 1. So 5 minus 1 will give us 4. So we will start like this. Answer is equal to target of 0. Iterate from I is equal to 1. I is less than n. I plus plus target of I is greater than, if target of I is greater than target of I minus 1, that's what here 5 minus 1, right? So what I'll do, answer plus is equal to target of I minus target of I minus 1, right? So if this is the case, target of I is greater than target of I minus 1, we'll do it and return the answer at the end. I have given the code link in the description, go and check it, and you can also see it here. It's the same code. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.